Hey, let's talk about the latest crypto news. Can Bitcoin hit 74,000 by next week? Well, there's a strong group of people who think that this is entirely possible. Going to lay out the reasons for you in this video. And right now, just FYI, Bitcoin is at 66,200 plus, and that's where we're at there. So we'll dive into that in just a minute. The overall crypto market right now is actually trending up. So in the last hour or so, we've gone from being in the red to being in the green and moving up fairly nicely. So I'm going to continue to watch that for you. Lead story right now is Ethereum. Ethereum's at 3%, whereas Bitcoin's only at 0.3. So Ethereum is leading the charge. Solana, other things like that. Cardano making a nice move, and Avalanche as well. All right. So let me share with you here in just a minute the information that I wanted to share with you. But real quick, the video is sponsored by SolarX, launching on the 21st of May. Links in the description below to check them out. What they do is they are a Bitcoin mining rig that you can have at your house that is solar powered. So you can obviously pay for the mining during the day with electricity, but meanwhile it's gathering a charge so that at night you can mine for effectively free because you're mining off that stored energy, that stored data from the solar aspect of it. Okay. So that's something, if you're interested, links in the description below to check it out. Go give those guys a look. SolarX. I had an early opportunity to invest in this particular project, and I definitely did. And I'm definitely a fan. So SolarX, links in the description below to check them out if you want to maybe pick up one of their rigs and do a little crypto Bitcoin mining in your spare time at the house. All right. So back to what I was sharing with you. Let's see if this number has risen at all. Oh, hey, it's now down 1 point. It's out 1.4. Okay. So there is a pretty large group of Bitcoin traders that are targeting 74,000 next week. Okay. So obviously today's Friday, May 17th. If we see 74,000 for Bitcoin next week, we are going to see pretty significant moves up across the board. Remember, I say this all the time. It's not just a Bitcoin centric scenario. If Bitcoin goes to 74,000, you're going to see a lot of euphoria, a lot of things coming in as far as movement up. I mean, we're talking about all the major blue chips. And if we kind of take a look at what Bitcoin's high is, so you can see its all-time high right here is 73,750. So if we were to hit 74,000, you're going to see people everywhere screaming about the fact that we have just broken our all-time high. And our all-time high now has been set again 2 months ago on March 14th. So why are we talking about the fact that, we could see 74,000 per this large group of Bitcoin traders? Number one, it's probably because of spot Bitcoin ETFs. And you're also seeing across the board, guys, here. You're seeing everywhere now mainstream traditional finance companies divulging that they have got that they now are holding hundreds of millions and sometimes billions of dollars of spot Bitcoin ETFs. We had a state pension fund the other day come out, and it was actually the Wisconsin State Pension Fund, I believe, or Minnesota, I can't remember which one, came out and said that they are going to be spending like 160 million plus. So you're seeing traditional finance, state pension funds, all that kind of stuff. And another reason we could potentially see a Bitcoin move up is a increasing institutional demand and risk appetite for assets. So the institutional demand was what I just told you about, all these different institutions buying the spot Bitcoin ETFs, things of that nature. So we could see this. If we see 74,000, that would be very interesting to see how it kind of all plays out. Now, on another note, hey, this is my software. Links in the description below if you want to check it out, to X1 Algo. You can see that 3 days ago, it gave a buy alert in the green right there. That's a buy alert, and we're up 6%. So if you're interested, links in the description below to pick that up. To give you some perspective, like here's Pepe. It gave a buy alert for Pepe here to here, and we're up 47+%. Okay. So if that's something you're interested in to try to check out, you can do that. Like $1,000 a Pepe bought 15 days ago would have netted you a profit of over $500. Okay. Links in the description below. 30-day, no questions asked, refund guarantee right there laid out for you. So you get a money back guarantee. There's a discount code down there also that makes the software $1 a day. So check it out. And that's all I got for you right now. So let's see if we can get Bitcoin to $74,000 by next week. That would be a nice little surprise. Yeah. All right. See you. Bye.